As a human being, you must be attractive. And when I say attractive, I don't just mean beauty or fine clothes. I'm talking about spiritual attractions. Whether you're young or you're old, male or female, if you are not spiritually attractive, nothing you do will truly move forward. You will try businesses, you will try relationships, and you will try opportunities. But instead of pulling good things to yourself, they will slip away. Now, hear me clearly. Attraction is not optional. If you want blessings to follow you, if you want good people, if you want good opportunities and good energy to flow towards you, you must carry attraction in your spirit. Let me give you one ancient recipe that has never failed. If you do this with faith, testimony will follow you. This is what I want you to do. You're going to get 3 fresh limes. Don't use lemon. Use lime. You get 3 pieces of charcoal, sizable ones, not the one that has been crushed. Then get 3 cubes of sugar. Don't use the powdered one. Always use cubes. Get 1 bucket of clean water. Now, here's what I want you to do. At exactly 12 midnight, cut each lime into 6 pieces and put them into the water. Drop that 3 charcoals inside that water too. Then add the 3 cubes of sugar. Place your hand inside that bucket and begin to declare with authority. Say, from today, as I use this water, every energy blocking my attraction, wash away. Every spirit of rejections, every spirit of delay and stagnation, wash away. From today, I become magnetic. I become magnetic to good things. Good people will see me. Good opportunities will find me. Money, favor, love, and connection will locate me. When you are done praying, carry that water, bathe from your head down to your toes. Make sure it touches even your scalp. Make sure it touches there, because that is where your glory lies. Do not use soap. Do not use sponge. Do not towel your body. Allow it to dry on your skin naturally and sleep like that. By morning, take your normal bath and go out. This recipe is simple, but don't joke with it. It is ancient, it is powerful, and it works. Do it and blessings will begin to locate you. You won't chase things anymore. Things will start chasing you. This is nature's power. Simple but mighty. Don't play with these spiritual tools at all. Don't play with it. Do not play with it. If this message spoke to your spirit, follow me right now, turn on notifications and share this video so more people who need it can find it. I will be dropping more powerful spiritual keys back to back here. You don't want to miss what's coming next. Thank you very much.